Hello, guys and girls. Hope each one of you is doing amazing. So, I'm sure that all of you must be having complete knowledge of NEET exam. But, guys, once the result is out, you have to go through a process of counseling. And without this process, you cannot get any government medical college. So, counseling is an inevitable process, guys, and it needs to be taken very seriously. Today, I will be sharing with you the details regarding the NEET counseling process. Okay, so let's start with the steps to register. So, the first step is visit the official website, in essence, mcc.nic.in. On the home page, click on the link that reads UG Medical Counseling. A new page will appear. Click on the new registration link. Fill in your credentials and submit. Once a new roll number and password is generated, register for NEET counseling. Do get the print out after registering yourself. It is very important. Now click on the candidate login option. Enter the asked credentials and click on the submit option. Verify the information displayed on the screen form, the NTA database, and confirm registration. Only after verification of your information. Then pay the counseling fee. Now fill the choices of courses and colleges. As I have mentioned earlier, counseling is to be taken very seriously. If you commit any mistake while filling the choices, you might have to repent till your next NEET exam. So, guys, please be careful. Now, let's talk about the mistakes that generally happens during filling choices. Number 1, not filling the choices in order of priority. Guys, please listen to it carefully. During choice filling, some students go on adding courses and institutes one after the other without giving thought to the order of preference, which is a very wrong approach. This is because the option listed at the top will be treated as the candidate's first choice, even if the candidate means something else. And once a candidate has locked a choice, then it will be considered as the candidate's first choice and it cannot be changed. And the candidate will be left with no other option but to accept the seat or to reject it. तो गाइज आपको एक बात का बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान रखना है, आप जिस कॉलेज इसमें पहले क्लिक कर रहे हैं ना, आपके वही फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस मान दी जाएगी. ठीक है, तो फिर टॉप प्रेफरेंसेस के जो कॉलेजेस हैं आपके, आप उनमें पहले क्लिक कीजिए और जो बाकी कॉलेजेस जो आपके प्रेफरेंस में नहीं है या लो प्रेफरेंस है उसको बाद में क्लिक कीजिए. सो द सेकेंड मिस्टेक विच जनरली हैपन्स इज not taking clue from the cutoff of previous years. By seeking the cutoff of previous years, candidates get an idea which college to fill. But some students ignore the fact and take decisions randomly based on intuitions, because of which they would have difficulty in getting college later. देखिए, कट ऑफ देखने से ना आपको एक आइडिया मिल जाता है. आपको अपने मार्क्स पता है, आपको अपनी रैंक पता है. सो उस अकॉर्डिंग आप कॉलेजेस फिल कीजिए. अगर आपकी रैंक बहुत अच्छी है और आप फिर भी ऐसे कॉलेजेस को प्रेफरेंस में डाल रहे हैं जिनकी कट ऑफ स्लो जाती हैं, तो इट विल बी ऑफ नो यूज़. आपके वो मार्क्स किसी यूज़ के होंगे ही नहीं, क्योंकि आपके मार्क्स ने आपको बेस्ट कॉलेजेस लेने में हेल्प ही नहीं की. तो गाइस प्लीज़, अगर आपके अच्छे मार्क्स हैं तो आप अच्छे कॉलेजेस को भी प्रेफरेंस दीजिए, और अगर आपके मीडियोकर मार्क्स हैं तो देन डोंट जस्ट ब्लाइंडली ऑप्ट फॉर टॉप कॉलेजेस, वरना आपको टॉप कॉलेजेस के चक्कर में मीडियोकर कॉलेजेस भी नहीं मिलेंगे एंड यू हैव टू रिपेंट इट. So now let's talk about the documents which are required for NEET counseling. Number 1 is the NEET admit card. Second is the NEET score card. Third is class 10th mark sheet. Fourth is class 12th mark sheet. Then transfer certificate TC, migration certificate, passing certificate to class 12th, domicile certificate. So domicile certificate, it is the proof for which state you belong to. आप किस स्टेट को बिलोंग करते हो ये आपके डोमिसाइल सर्टिफिकेट से ही पता चलता है. गेट इट मेड फ्रॉम एनी लॉयर इन तहसील. इट होल्ड्स very much importance in state counseling. In fact, state counseling is incomplete without domicile certificate. Then is the AADHAR card, caste certificate. It is proof in order to get the reserved seat for scheduled caste, scheduled tribes एंड अदर बैकवर्ड क्लासेस। अगर आप इन कैटेगरी को बिलोंग करते हैं और आपके पास कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट नहीं है तो आपको रिजर्व सीट्स का प्रिविलेज मिलेगा ही नहीं। देन इज द EWS certificate. So it is a proof in order to get the reserved seats for economically weaker section of society. The thing to remember here is 10% of the total seats for admission to MBBS and BDS colleges are reserved for EWS candidates. And who are eligible for this certificate? If any candidate's annual family income is less than rupees 8 lakhs per year and his or her family owns no more than 5 acres of agricultural land and his or her residential flat area is below 1000 square feet, only then he or she is capable of getting an EWS certificate. अगर आप eligible हैं तो please इसे बनाइए. Then is the defense certificate. For students with their parents in defense services, government has provided this reservation. एक बात का ध्यान रखिएगा, All India Counselling doesn't have defense quota. Therefore, no certificate is needed in All India Counselling. But ऐसे कुछ states हैं हमारी country के जो defense quota provide करते हैं अपने candidates को. For example, उत्तराखंड. There is a criteria set up by Ministry of Defence to provide seat reservation in some states of India for the wards of defence personnels. Now let's talk about the priority of the same defence certificate. Priority 1 is given to widows or wards of defence personnel killed in action. Priority 2 is given to the wards of disabled in action and boarded out from the service. Priority 3 is given to widows or wards of defense personnel who died while in service with death attributable to military service. Priority 4 is given to wards of disabled in service and boarded out with disability. Priority 5 is given to wards of ex-servicemen and servicing personnel who are in receipt of gallantry awards. Priority 6 is given to wards of ex-servicemen. Priority 7 is given of wives of defense personnel disabled in action and boarded out from service, defense personnel disabled in service and boarded out with disability attributable to military service, ex-servicemen and serving personnel who are in receipt of gallantry awards. Now, priority 8 is given to wards of serving personnel and priority 9 is given to wives of serving personnel. Okay, so coming to the next document, which is the gap certificate. So gap certificate is required for dropper students only as a proof of the dropped years. The next document is disability certificate. Guys, please listen to it carefully. As per the schedule uploaded on MCC website, the candidates have to approach the disability centers designated by MCC of DGHS across India to obtain disability certificate after getting their disability assist at the center in order to avail the benefit of PWD, persons with disability, reservation in medical courses. So what are the centers which will issue disability certificate as per 21 benchmark disabilities given under RPWD Act 2016? Serial-wise centers who will issue disability certificates as per 21 benchmark disabilities given under RPWD Act 2016 are: Number 1 is Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College and Safdarjung Hospital, New Delhi. Number 2, All India Institute of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation for Locomotor Disability only. It is located in Mumbai. The third is Institute of Postgraduate Medical Education and Research. It is located in Kolkata. Madras Medical College, Chennai. Grant Government Medical College, JJ Hospital. Goa Medical College, Government Medical College, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. SMS Medical College, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Government Medical College and Hospital, Sector 32, Chandigarh. Government Medical College, Agartala, State Disability Board, Agartala, Tripura. Institute of Medical Sciences, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Candidates must arrange for issuing of disability certificates for 21 benchmark disabilities given under Rights of Persons with Disability Act 2016 as per MCI guidelines so that inconvenience is not caused to the candidates desiring to avail the benefit of PWD reservation. तो जितने भी हॉस्पिटल्स ऊपर लिस्टेड हैं आपको उन जगह से उन हॉस्पिटल्स से ही अपना डिसेबिलिटी सर्टिफिकेट अप्रूव कराना है अगर आप नहीं करवाते हो तो यू वोंट बी एबल टू गेट एनी बेनिफिट ऑफ PWD कैटेगरी. And last but not the least is the passport size photographs, which should be the recent ones. Okay, so just have some extra, take 5 to 10 passport size photographs. Guys, please keep at least 2 photocopies of all your documents. And do remember, all your documents should be renewed and updated once. So, I hope guys all your doubts regarding NEET counseling are now clear. Thank you and all the very best.